What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a big old box in front of me from Maxace Knives, and it's part of the mission. Yes, I don't own a Maxace knife. I have no idea why. I've heard they're great. They have budget. They have high end. They have all kinds of options. I just never bought one. Might have had one in my cart, just never pushed by. So now I have one. So I redeemed myself. This one is the Maxace Peregrine S. Orange G10 handle, 10CR. I'm not saying the rest of the stuff because I'll stumble. But 10CR blade steel. Let's look inside the box. Very nice box, by the way. It's like one of the most premium boxes I've pretty much ever got. And this one was only $39.99 on sale. I think regular price is $59.99. So it's a budget knife. So again, I'm following the rules. I'm being a good boy. Anyways, got a little card on top just to hold stuff in, I guess. What's this here? Just a cleaning rag? Microfiber, or ooh, that's soft. That's a nice rag. I'm not gonna be able to use this because it's too nice. All right, yeah, so it's a nice little rag. Got the Maxace branding on there. Got this little thing there. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to wipe my knife off with this thing. It's too nice. It's a very white, off-white color. So that'll be a save rag. Maybe I'll send that out to somebody. And here's the box, just a regular foam in there. It does have silica sitting in there. If you want that, I'll send it to you. But let's look at the knife. And ooh, right off the bat, it's got a good weight to it. It's about 5 ounces. But for this size knife, yeah, that's about right. Let's flip the blade out and talk about it. Okay, we're going to do that again. Let's try the front flipper. See if I can actually do this one. Wow. I normally struggle with front flippers, but this one is so easy. Okay, I'm falling in love already. First flip, not a problem. Whew. Okay, let's talk about the blade. So it's 18CR. Let's look at some dimensions real quick. 18CR, satin finish, about 3.5 inches long. Overall length of this thing is 8 inches. So pretty much my perfect spot as long as the ergos are good. Let's see what we got. Some nice jimping down here. Look at that blade though. That's a nice ass blade. Heck yeah. Jimping is very nice. I'm not gonna go do the whole bees thing, but look at that jimping. Yeah, you can barely see it over there if I focus. Let's do the whole hand thing. There we go. Yeah, it kind of sticks out, but feels great. Very nice jimping. Ergos on time. Heck yeah. Perfect ergos for me. Maybe a little thin, like right around this area, but if I have a good grip on it, it feels in my hand pretty well. Can't really, yeah, you can actually choke up a little bit. Finger kind of just slides up there in the choil. We got to be careful with that edge there. It could cut into you. So I just keep back on here. It's big enough handle wise where it works. But yeah, very nice. I am impressed so far. What else can I talk about the blade? Let's flip it over. And then we got, Peregrine S and all those letters and numbers, which represent the blade steel. See how drop sheddy it is. Whew. Wow. It's kind of a little guillotine. Watch your fingers, but slow drop. I mean, kind of a quick medium drop there. Bink. Nice and drop sheddy. Centered up really nice. Let's talk about these scales real quick. Nice bright color. There it is. See that texture? Kind of similar to that one I did my last night video, texture wise. Got some good grip on there. Reverse carry, so I'm doing better. I got a reverse carry. The screws do stick out of the clip a little bit. Yeah, see how the screws kind of stick out? So, and they're like that inside the clip too. They are kind of machined where they're rounded off, so I don't think it'll grab your pocket, but we'll see. Nice little backspacer. I think that's made out of G10, or is that steel? Oh, that's actually, yeah, that might be the same steel right there. Let's see. Where's my magnet? I got that flashlight standing by still. I don't know if it sticks to the liners or whatever. Doesn't really say, but can't really feel either if it's like actually G10 or stainless. Whatever, not important. It's there, so we have a backspacer. And the pivot's kind of plain on each side. No major branding on the knife itself, on the handle itself, but you see the stuff on the blade, so that's fine. What else we got? Oh yeah, the pocket clip. Good pocket clip. Like I said, it's deep carry, but you might have to worry about those screws. Everything else, let's see. Did I check for blade wiggle? Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, it's nice and solid. Perfect. So this is a great knife. I am not mad at all. And do I have some size-wise I can compare it to? I got the copperhead. I think it's about the same length. So yeah, that QSP copperhead. Yeah, see, about the same size. Copperhead being just a little thicker, but very similar size-wise and blade shape-wise and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is a very, very nice knife. I'm very pleased. If some people don't like the orange color, I typically don't, but why not, right? And for the quality that this knife actually is, I will take an orange color all day. Front flipper. There it is. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all the veterans out there and all my active duty brothers and sisters. Be safe. See you guys next time. Bye.